Hey guys, did you notice I'm rocking a red skirt today? Well, that's because first impressions matter, and trust me, you'll definitely leave one if you pay attention to these three things that 99.7% of women instantly notice about you. Whether you realize it or not, the moment she lays eyes on you, she's subconsciously, if not consciously, deciding whether you're a yes, no, or maybe. That means you don't have much time to win her over if you get these three things wrong right off the bat. And if she's someone you already know? Changing her first impression is going to take some serious confidence. Because even if you manage to slip past her emotional defenses, if you mess up this one thing, she might never see you as a potential romantic or sexual interest again. And yeah, that's something you definitely want to avoid. Hey guys, it's Anna William, your Wingwoman, and today is Friday. Welcome to Just the Tip Tuesday, where we talk about the subtle but powerful things that make women instantly more attracted to you. Alright, let's start with number 1, how well put together you are. Now, this one might sound simple, but trust me, it's huge. How well put together doesn't just mean your clothes, it's your whole presentation, your attire, your attitude, and your grooming. You don't need to chase the latest fashion trends or look like a GQ model. But you do need to look clean, confident, and intentional. If your clothes are wrinkled, dirty, or hanging off you like you gave up on life, yeah, sorry guys, that's not attractive. Women notice instantly. But if you dress in a way that reflects just 10% more confidence than your usual self, you'll look 10% better and feel 100% more confident. And that confidence? It shows. Same goes for grooming. Here are the basics: clean teeth, a haircut that suits your face, facial hair that looks purposeful, not accidental, and clean hands. If you've been working with your hands all day, that's fine, it shows character. But otherwise, keep them neat. Shower, use deodorant, and please, if you wear cologne, less is more. Some women love a man's natural scent, others melt for a hint of cologne, but overdoing it? Total turn-off. It shouldn't smell like you're trying to hide something. Because here's the thing. How well put together you are tells her everything she needs to know about your personality, self-respect, and the energy you bring into her world. Next up, number 2, your eye contact. Strong eye contact shows confidence, presence, and masculine dominance. Yeah, I said it, the D word. Think of it this way, just like in the wild, the first one to look away subconsciously signals submission. Now, I'm not saying you should stare her down like a serial killer. Please don't do that. But if you can hold steady, relaxed eye contact, it tells her you're not intimidated. You're centered. You're grounded. Here's the key. Strong eye contact doesn't mean constant eye contact. This isn't a staring contest. It's more about connection. You hold her gaze a second longer than you normally would, just enough to make her feel your confidence before you glance away naturally. That little flicker of tension between connection and release is where attraction builds. Now, if she's a confident or dominant woman herself, she might hold your gaze right back, testing you, seeing if you'll flinch first. And that's okay. Even if you do look away first, as long as you stay in your masculine frame, calm, playful, relaxed, you still win. So here's the secret. Strong eye contact isn't about proving power. It's about showing you're comfortable in it. It's saying, without words, I see you. I'm not afraid of the moment. And that leads us perfectly into the next one, because number 3? It's bold, risky, and when done right, absolutely magnetic. Alright? Now that you know the 3 things women instantly notice about you, let's talk about the one massive mistake that can quietly kill your attraction before it even starts. Can you guess what it is? If you think you know, pause the video for a second and drop your answer in the comments. Go on, I'll wait. Yeah, I knew you wouldn't. Some of you did though, right? Winking face. Okay, here it is. The one major turnoff that so many men don't even realize they're doing is apologizing too much. Yup. Over-apologizing or apologizing when it's not even needed. Women actually do this too. I'm guilty of it myself sometimes. But when a man does it, it can instantly make him seem unsure of himself. When you're constantly saying I'm sorry or I hope that's okay, it sends a subtle message that you don't believe you deserve to take up space. And here's the truth. Nothing kills attraction faster than insecurity disguised as politeness. Even when you don't use the words I'm sorry, the energy can still come through. Like when you ask her out an ad, it's totally fine if you say no. You might think you're being respectful, but what she hears is, I already expect rejection. It's like you're apologizing for even existing in her orbit, and that's not confidence. Now, unless you're saying sorry for something you actually did wrong. Like hurting her feelings, being disrespectful, or breaking trust. You need to stop apologizing for the small stuff. If you show up a little late for a date, don't start with, sorry I'm late. Instead, say, thank you for waiting, I appreciate your patience. See the difference? You're still being polite, but now you're leading with strength and gratitude, not guilt. Or if you didn't text her back right away, don't send a long explanation like, sorry, I got caught up at the gym. Just pick up the conversation where you left off. You're allowed to have a life. Confidence is quiet, steady, and unapologetic. It doesn't need to explain or justify. So from now on, save your sorries for when they truly matter. That's how a high-value man moves. And if you want me to make a video on how to apologize the right way, when you actually should, let me know in the comments. By the way, I do read all the short comments first, so if you want me to see yours, keep it snappy. And guys, if you've ever made a bold move that actually worked for you, share it below. You never know who you might help. Because remember, this isn't just my channel, it's our space. You're each other's wingmen. We're one big community here, helping each other level up in love and life. So thank you for watching all the way to the end. For liking, sharing, and being part of this journey with me. You're becoming the kind of man women can't forget. And that, my dear, is exactly the kind of energy I love seeing in you. Kiss mark. I'm Anna William, your wingwoman, reminding you. Be bold. Be kind. And never apologize for being you.